some people. Welcome friends and fans online. Right here today, let's solve this addition problem. 46 plus 17. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 6 plus 7 equals 13. In the number 13, there are 3 ones, right? 3 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 4 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 4 equals 5. We need to add 1 more, which gives us 6, right? 6 in the tens place. So 46 plus 17 equals 63. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and be part of our growing community.